as advertised. It's really strong. We've only used it for a short time this past summer, but they seem to do the job. These clips hold our porch furniture together very nicely. The clip is tight and the pieces connect to make one piece of furniture easily. You will need to measure your furniture before purchasing the right size clips, otherwise it just won't work. Does the job. Need more clips for my sectional outdoor set. Works, easy to install but doesn't separate easily. Awesome, couldn't imagine my outdoor furniture without these. It was hard to put on, but they are strong and I like that a lot. These were great quality and serve their purpose well. Great price, works to hold the sofa together. Only downfall is if the kids are moving around too much on the sofa, the clamps occasionally pop off. This is a great product to keep individual sectional pieces together. Works perfectly, a great cost-effective solution. Click link in description for more reviews.